court efre ensem no mienu a efa nsuatre incident ho nyina sese ensem na koye mienu yedi ka no ye chi nipa mensa a mo nyina mo nim se de onabo bafo wa ene the police bodyguard na another person e da efre no wo baka ye a ye ma nipa mienu bail na police inspector na de court amani bail sada no ene ye ba ye no ne lawyer na wa file application for bail as application no nkrata che se na edibia koma abai lawyer for attorney general of Ewosunyane ya nse e ba se ekoye emrasem sade a e abai lawyer for na zenka omune lawyer for no de bisi ani nti o che se okosemu obi unfortunately abai lawyer for ama court omo so omo anfoma no masem ama bia se de lawyer ne kam omo tiam nti e ba sa na court say abai lawyer for no omo asem ni omo de am omo anfa mo ye bia ama se omo tiam de ani ono court no obama ne bail etosum yenu lawyer no file an application no so or the nkrata even charge sheet na second case no any pension no opposed for charge any pension on your second case no or the secretary ni bi attach the motion kire say uhwe second case opposed for na yet ni pension no a omo kire say fe de omo hu nipa omo ate nipa omo kun no ade ne din kwa ba se friend Brahma in the second case on the tosum samram no kase ono de ni ho aka wura ebre di kai a court share no na sa ni pension emu mienu pe nine pe ne bai tinan no bai no court ma emu mienu bail oba no man mienu third and fourth accused persons but first and second accused person here so that the court no am bail na fifth and sixth accused persons in there na omo e do ho aka wura ene bai no the sixth accused person no ono wa de ne ho aba lawyer kwa che so omo di ka ko police headquarters na no ya wada ene ne wasa na ba enti the lawyer na kan say uhwe asem for police body ato ni pension so no a enum de omo kire say nipa smasi e fe no Brahma a wodwane ye hu no o ne kum poli say bona this kan wo no nipa ya to omo nyina no wasem police force omo che o police station no sa na omo nyina ka say e Brahma no ne kum the lawyer na say de di kan no mo amode okunu din na say akire mo ye hwemu asa ko hu say nipa smasi ne kunu dia ene lawyer no ma police inspector no bail na akire say no ne kum even though in some charge na dia to omo so no ene no kwa abatement kan wo jese mo bo ma yekum obi eno so eno de da ho according to say lawyer say de kum no na nti ama court na ama ne bail ini je hu de okunu de na court man bail the court gina na yema bi so say aba lawyer for am from money masama metia bail application no afi no approach for no answer hwe mo for de ne pension bi de aba o mo se ba ho ne kunu de na court na ama ne bail na sika court de to ne ti so ye 300,000 cedis nipa mienu na emesan ne mu sa nipa mienu no de omo mfa bibie enkyere se omo japade bia na se bibia isan se branch no o police ni ti odi ma Ghana police service bibia no omo hwe se oho mfa no ho nkyekye ne mu mo no so mfa ne passport metro registry within 3 days chance was send passport na ko din kan na court bail a odi kare ma eye iru abafo wa ne ba ko kan ho na hye bi kan ho se da bia omo fo mo ko kire aposifo da bia ise court so mo di samra no so ntino wa hen sakrae afi do mo nya no dakuru bia e wona hotwem afi o sa de tabo to omo so se omo ntimi ntu omo tumfiri sunyane mbatema nko ba bia abra omo nya tumi mfi court enso court se omo betimi akọ abra omo nya tumi bia na embom omo passport no de enkoso na register office na eye second case ya eda court ani mu aye ni pension no so omo lawyer eye A1 and A2 na no court anfa bail na mo lawyer sa SRS nka omo bail eni nipa otosunsia na ene eso no ade no bae court sa afọ no mensa de omo bail a enye yi nti a lawyer for no emfa nko buku ata so no mo nko save aba lawyer for na omo mfa mesie ni court nti e de sa yedi ka no nipa mensa no de e de share on the 10th because obi ya ni ho a oda ba akokum de basa yetmeje ifi na otweme no kwesi bosom e je na otweme nsa na mom de ya mom bail nti no second case na ni pension no de se emremo no do obi da ba kuku mu a ndime enkomro na otwemi no emfa ne ma court je no de court ma na otwemi no a no so ye ba on the 10th third match in the third match and 10th match and e besa aba court ani kakra ye say bail application a lawyer for e dey beto court ani mu na omusama police inspector no in the first case no aba lawyer for e say bo na omo ameyi anu say omo ametiem say bail no ko omo pension bi aka court beti omo say but omo ametiem nti court so ametiem dia che say mo aba lawyer for mo na asem yo mo dia nti court agina so ama ne bail nti e besa beto aso on the 3rd and 10th match ndamas asem yo ha
Shama mu mi emechi se aban emna na me pese mekumu. What I say, police for your mojuma. As to say slow whatever, never say a 8th person above. Until na nipa 7 actual, right? Never 8th person above. He thought say on one and what be uncle, but I remember on side account. What I say, and for the first one to that mark which is case na bansu any da hu ye e di akire. Ta ban what the moment fancy for now. I'm okay, I'm satisfied with everything I cost was. But me see, ye kosa mom so na nanu. Ne say sisu ye kosa ma asem no ama nanu. Aye da ukuada ye kwa antoa. Ye kosa ma no ama nanu say na say ni kokotoko. Ya santima japade. Ene nso so ene hwe asantema ye de. E kan nso mo hwe asantema so bi. Ti abana bibi say asia. Ti ankọ kwa say nanu kwa so anya de ya anye ya fa ni de anya de afa ma nanu. Ti o say na nanu so hu say abusumi aye wu mu ye emfe empinu ene adonunu. Abusumi mienu de to so mienu. Besi aka won hwate no de to no nanu mo mate so mo nti. Ti o so officially yako edi ni na de ko ye ko bu bodi no ho ananum de omu ni bi ase omu ni be bi ase bia e do ase asamada mo omu so ato no bi bia eni abre ye papa ye no he bra me bre opolo na okeda ase ene bo no nan na me mpaso me ni ate me da kwa me de me na say football ye ko bo 3 points o ball no ye bo for all you know you need sponsorship bia o mo oje league na 500,000 Ghana cedi kotoko wage bill 700,000 Ghana cedi every month it means oje league was get be man ko ni pinto kotoko place ka 1 month we hu na wo bisika ko no I mean, how? It didn't know what's ever. Deep into what's sad with Baneka, the 40 arms at your own concern. And then, until a few months, I can't come on way. When you know, we or chance one chair, you want to win our fear, Western region, Chairman and Sujan. Once I won't see any of it. For Western region, a chance to guide and I can't run for Chairman. What I say, maybe me organize a new, me or me protocol officer, coming home, we were in secrets almost ready. I can't. Oma amase no be that say nya ba say beti proceedings enti enya abre Ashanti Regional Circus Council should I say National Circus Council as a circus council at large the whole world no be any there some ahead e ko so enti e be ha no bit ma ba very enya abre papa o nya o hene dunkwa ana o anu am friends international na mempo na nya enti no enya abre papa enya abre
Andre Kotokotiki stands on the Benya Justice League and also back and forth in Myanmar. Moshe and ready to have an proceedings from the court and you still stand by that league no also. Why balance you
I don't think the HN makers way justice. What did I mention? Some makers way justice. And me being supporters leader no. I did be paying for Kuchegu Kata to be support. To understand but for because you are reverse aba say no. This is how we can one this way. All the mention. And penny for the go so I know wodi enkita we wodi one friends enkita ho. E dey do maka no. We are going by that. Amaka say ko ball no a. And I mean say it won't be any moment soon. It will not be any moment. And as I second talk say enya Ghana football ball. How the folk can say Ghana football? See be nti ya twen ho sinchen. So mo fin say mo bana say be ya mo ko ball e. Say ni problem bi ana. Yeah, can say Ghana football man the men ko so. And they say 1 2 3 nti no. Ya twen ho e dey sinchen. And still we are respecting that decision I take until say we be different we be the decision. That yeah kwere so the proposal akoma I mean if you know I had some folk and I think one of the biggest clubs in Ghana. The biggest club in Ghana. We are the Ghana football, and Ghana football is hard to focus on something. And say, be a yakano. The judge say, "Was it? Bibi and Sia. I mean, Bibi and the yes, Bibi and said Bibi ye. The banana become a good football. Say, a man can never be careful unless he buy a new shirt and a white shirt. What's a white shirt? You be careful. What is the mission? For now, Bibi you have to be careful and correct all the wrongs. And maybe you not was corrected that I didn't correct you. This is an opportunity for us to correct all the wrongs.
Chairman Kakrebi on police one week celebration. Were you satisfied? Fully Asuma Santimana satisfaction with Kakrebi.
Now I was more than satisfied. And now police 1 week no. Na nya asanteman ko na Ghana man nyina. Le fa kwanya kese so. Mada Ghana Stars ase. Mada baby ni Gold Stars ase. Ashanti Gold. Me do mase. Betembe kwetu ni abote offense Nations FC. E do mo so ayi ase. Accra has a folks. They don't penny, they knew penny for. They don't want to ask. We are bitching. They are saluting one. I salute two, I salute on the three. Then I candle night over by us possibly. Almost a candle at the bitching. And you see, you know, it seems most of you they don't notice it. I mean, the team bus. No mutum there on the buy. And when I saw the bus entering the Heroes Park, I started weeping. Oma Daudone Jama, Abuso. This is how Ghana football should be. There's a 3 points we go beat Sky Kulu. This is any better mobile baller. Well, 3 points. It doesn't come on a silver platter. We fight on the pitch. Not before. You come, the place no come. Your boy. We actually go near Quebec. But only Sardin Yaya then at Chichi. And now, you don't bear no. To my energy, the Ghana man us. But with the exception to my boy, to the Miss.